Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. Things look a little bit different, but that's only because I'm utilizing another wall, another space in my office. When I first did my office and moved to this office, the plan was to utilize this wall as my backdrop for my videos. I had the floating shelves installed. I was looking for ornaments and stuff to put behind me, but when I was still looking for all of the stuff, I had the backdrop that you guys are used to seeing sorted already, so I sort of got comfortable with using that and didn't change it. But today I just thought I would try something a bit different and we'll see how it goes. So today the look we're going to be creating is an everyday autumnal makeup look. This is a look I think is for autumn. I have an idea of what I'll do, but we will see how that goes. Okay. Right now I'm just gonna do my brows. I'm using my MAC brow gel cream. So I don't know about other parts of the country, but it has been literal winter in Cape Town all of a sudden. Like, we skipped autumn and it's raining, it's windy. So it's a bit weird, but it's all good. I'm taking my Inglot Freedom System concealer and carving out my brows. So I'm gonna spritz my face with some Urban Decay Quick Fix, just to hydrate. When it comes to autumn winter period, guys, hydration is key. Make sure your skin is hydrated. Even if you have oily skin, don't compromise on making sure your skin is hydrated beneath your makeup. The foundation I'm using is going to be drugstore today, and I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match foundation. I am the shade Cappuccino. I'm taking my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. I think I had said that this foundation feels a lot like Dior Backstage in terms of the consistency. Very lightweight and sort of like light coverage, but I feel like you can build it up. I feel like you can definitely build the coverage, so I'm going in with another layer. I feel like it's more of like a satin finish and not a matte finish. This is also great because it's not going to really dry out your skin like most matte foundations, and but you can still bake or set with powder without fear of looking or feeling too dry. For concealer, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Concealers, and for a long time I had the wrong shade. I had the shade NC44. I went out and picked up NC45 this weekend, and I'm loving it so much. I forgot how warm NC45 was, and you guys know I've been looking for a new concealer to use, so I feel like I've found it. And also I didn't bake with this concealer this weekend as well, so that's what actually made it so nice to use too. But I think I will bake today. I'm taking my Sigma blender. Contour, I only do like to contour my cheekbones, so I'm taking my Black Opal cream foundation stick in a Suede Mocha. I'm just gonna blend out this contour here. So I'm gonna set my under eye area. I'm gonna take my Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. We're gonna set underneath that eye area. I'm taking my Black Opal True Color powder, and I'm just setting the rest of my face. I'm going back in with this palette, and I'm going to powder contour. Sorry, remove this palette. And I'm going to powder contour the shade on the far left. Now it's time to get into eyeshadow. That has taken so long. I'm gonna reach for my Revolution makeup palette, eyeshadow palette. This is the Pro HD Amplify 35 palette, and we're gonna go for something brown because there's nothing that says autumn like a brown eye. So these don't have names on them, but I'm gonna first go in with this orange shade at the bottom of the palette just to get a nice transition going. And I would like to call this look a wearable everyday look. So you can intensify it to what you want, but I would like this to be ideal for every day, but that's still in line with the season. I'm going in with my Sigma tapered blending brush, the E35. I'm gonna go in with this chocolate shade at the bottom left, and I'm gonna place this in my crease area, but just below where we put that orange transition shade, because you want that orange to peek through. I'm not gonna go in with a flat shading brush. I'm taking my Sigma E25. I'm thinking I want to go in with that same shade on all over my lid area, but I sort of want the brush to be a bit flat and rounded. That's the only reason why I've changed brushes. I'm just taking this color across and sort of packing it on the lid. For our lash line, I'm going to go with a black liner, which is what I don't usually do, but because it's an autumnal look, we're going to keep it a little bit more grunge. I'm going to go with a black liner in our waterline. This is the MAC Graphic Black Technical Liner Eyeliner. Oh. I'm taking my Sigma Exact Blend E32 brush, and I'm going to go in with this deeper chocolate here, just to help me smudge out that line. So we're using a brown to just soften the look of the black liner. You could go in with a brown eye pencil to be quite... I'm going to bring the color down as well. We'll blend it out in a little bit. I'm taking a blending brush. So that's the eye that I think is everyday appropriate, and it's autumnal enough. It's brown, but it's not too much, and I feel like this is an eye you can wear throughout the day and even into a date night if you would want to. For now, I'm just going to apply my lashes. Let's get into some mascara. So I'm taking my Benefit Roller Lash. It's this one here, and I'm just going to coat my eyes. I'm gonna add some blush, so I'm taking my Smashbox Step by Step Contour Kit, and I'm taking that middle shade, which is called Terracotta, and I'm just adding some color to my face. For highlights, I'm taking my MAC Hyper Real Glow. I'm just taking this to my cheeks. I do not compromise on highlighter any time of the year. For lips, I'm taking my MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil. I'm just lining my lips. And I'm taking this color I just saw I have from Smashbox. It's called Psychic Medium. Actually seems to look like a really nice muddy brown, a bit warmer than that other MAC one that I have, I think. And this, you guys, is the finished look. This is my autumnal wearable everyday makeup look. I think it's, like I said, pretty nice and transitional from day to night. You could go a little bit less dark with the lip and maybe go for like a warm nude if you feel like it's a bit too much. but I think that to be on trend, it'll be nice to go with like a muddy sort of brown with some cool undertones to it. I think that'll really take that look up a couple of notches. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below what you want to see from me this autumn and winter, and I will give you what your heart desires. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.